Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, but I'll be back at market open, which is in just a few minutes. All right, gonna go for a call here at 28. Got that at 28. Gonna call. And out for a fast $50. I should note I'm doing options. When I say options, if you have no idea what I mean, then in the comments section, just put guide or option guide, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. And I'll walk you through all the basics and terminologies, how they work, all of that. I know options sometimes can be intimidating. They can have kind of an advanced reputation. Yes, they can be made very advanced, but they don't have to be. You can approach them in simple ways, and that's how I approach them, in a simple, straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, in more just black and white, straightforward ways, then I'm confident you'd find value in that guide. So like I said, just put option or option guide below, and I will link you to that. So, and if you're not familiar with my screen, if you look down there, you would have seen a white order show up, and then that turned to green, which means I bought, and then you would have seen another white order down there, which turned to green. And when that second one turned to green, you would have seen the $50 show up there, which showed, the $50 that I made. But that whole thing lasted very, very quickly. I got to stop talking here for a second. What is that? Let's see here. Maybe another trade, but all right, I'll go ahead and pause for now, but off to a nice little quick $50 start. Have an order at $48.50, in at $48.50, and out for $50. Again, if you blinked, you missed it. Very, very fast trade. Let's go to 30. Let's try 47 now. Actually 45.50. All right, we'll see if this thing wants to drop down a bit more, and I can try to play another call. But again, another trade there. Very, very fast $50. Literally, I don't know, 2 seconds was it? I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 47.50 here for a call. It was close. That's what I was looking for, though. So I'm going to cancel that one out. At this point, feels like it might want to actually drop a little bit lower. So I think I could get a better entry point. All right, I will pause, and I'll keep a close eye on it. And I was wrong on that one. Would have been just fine for a $50 sniper shot. So that was an error on my part. Should be up 150 now. Granted, I'm talking in hindsight. Had the price continued to come down, I'd be sitting here saying, oh, I have such good instincts. But that's hindsight confirmation bias. But I would have been okay, but I want to just, there you go. So there's one where I'm not trying to come across like I only make good decisions. Nope, that was a bad decision. I would have been totally fine. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 40 here for a call. It's kind of getting pretty jumpy, so I want to err on the side of caution and get it rolling just in case it does shoot down there. And I'm at $40. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, maybe. That was close. Was on the best bid, but no fill. When I say best bid, I'm looking at this number over here, and you'll see that I was at 40 showed up. But just because 40 shows up doesn't mean you get filled. Nope, I want to cancel that now. That makes me... Okay, so that blue line is going to be my new attempted entry point. So I don't feels too much like bottom of maybe a little bear pennant here. So I was wanting to give it a chance at first, but now with the 2 minute, which is off screen, the way that one looks, I am not interested. Those prices just changed because I changed strike prices. If you have no idea what I mean when I say that, then again, just comment below guide. I will link you to that. So they just changed again. Yes. So about 55.50, throw an order out there. All right, I will pause and I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 57.50 here. for a put. try 57 instead. Nope. Don't like how it's just hovering there. Wow. Maybe I'll try 56.50 again. Or what is this blue line up there? Or what's that going to be? Oh, yeah, there it is. There it is. Okay. I will take it, a put at that blue line. So 493.30. Yeah, I like that entry point a lot. So I'll keep a close eye on it. And if it gets up there, I will be looking to get a put. Have an order at 36 here for a put. At 35.50 now. I will pause. Okay, maybe here. And I'm at 35.50. In at 35.50. And out for $50. Very good. So another very fast $50 move. I will pause. Have an order at 33.50 here for a put. Got close, but not quite. I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 43.30 here for a put. I think I can get 43 actually. Yeah, 43. All right, I'll pause, keep a close eye on it. Okay, I changed my order to 41. 40.50 looks a bit more accurate. So 40.50. I know I'm changing my orders a lot and all that, but there's a reason for it. I want those nice, precise entry points because you've seen the results of nice, precise entry points. So yes, you know, you can make money very quickly here, but it does come at the, you know, it comes at the requirement of needing to be picky. You can't just throw an order out there and then just say, okay, it is what it is. No. So I'm well aware. Why doesn't this dude leave his order? Why is he constantly changing and adjusting and doing this? Because I want the precise sniper shot entry. And in situations like this, yeah, I should have just kept it where it was, would have been fine. But again, we're all, and you're right, but I'm just, you know, throwing into the mix that, yeah, but that's all hindsight, and it's kind of easy to do that sort of thing. Okay, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order here at 42. In at 42 for a put. And out for another $50. Very good. So that's what I mean. That one lasted, I don't know, 5 seconds. So precision matters. I will go ahead and pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. It is 11:30 on the dot, up $200. So hey, you know what? $100 per hour, I will take it, especially when all things considered, I was not sitting at my computer for the past 2 hours straight. I'm actually kind of on daddy homeschooling duty right now, so had to work on some math with my daughter. So point being, but even just to keep the math and the argument simple, hey, you know what? 2 hours, $200, $100 per hour. I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make $100 in an hour. I will gladly take that hourly rate, especially when this is one of many side hustles. I have multiple streams of income, and I encourage you to do the same. And that way you can, I don't do this. I realize full aware that, I'm not going to be able to go buy a Lamborghini for $200, but I don't do this because I want a Rolex watch or a private jet. Now, if that's why you want to do trading and that's why you do it, cool, go for it. I hope you get those things. But for me, as a father of 6 kids, I want the freedom of time. I want to be able to do what I want, spend time with them, work on my real estate investing business, work on my teaching business at claytrader.com. So variety of income sources, at least in my opinion, that's the best way to go. Multiple streams of income is where you get that true freedom. And that's what I'm after. I'm after that freedom of time. And yes, $100 in $100 per hour rate, I will certainly take it. So that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.